trade crypto arbitrage trading, where you buy assets at a lower price on a centralized platform and you sell the same in a decentralized platform at a higher price. So we are trading crypto arbitrage trading, and as you can see, we've started with the 320 USDTs. That means every human being can afford that amount. And if you want to join the free classes, make sure you comment crypto arbitrage trading. I'll be picking randomly, and those who are lucky, I'll be giving you free funding so that you can start trading. So as you can see, we are using Tranquilly as our decentralized platform. So Binance is our centralized platform where we buy our assets at a lower price, then we sell them here at a higher price. And arbitrage in Tranquilly entails two things. You can trade manually, or you can choose to trade with automated bots. So it is your choice. Both are profitable. Both crypto arbitrage trading here are profitable. So I'll start with the manual one. So we are starting our classes from scratch with small amount. And remember, I said we'll get this one today to 1,000 USDTs. So if you can manage 300 USDTs, you are in a position to make good profits, and we'll do it together. Make sure you comment wherever you are watching this. You comment crypto arbitrage trading, and you might be lucky. You might be lucky. I said you might be lucky. I don't know what luck will follow you. So you just come to P2P arbitrage if you want to trade manually. You can see here the rate of USDTs is 1.105. But here in Binance, let's say you go to P2P, you buy USDTs at let's say Kenyan shillings at a rate of 129. That means it is a rate of 1.0 per USDTs. You come and sell it here at a rate of 1.14. So 1.4 0.14 is your take profit. So 0.14 times your capital, like let's say 300 or 400. Let me show you. So I wanted to use my calculator. Let's say you are making at a rate of 0.14 times a capital of 1,000. So 140 will be your profit. If the rate is let's say 0.20, then times 1,200 USDTs is your take profit. So that is manual trading for arbitrage, but also you can use the arbitrage bots. This generates more profits. You can see the bots are very many. You can see they go at a rate of even 17. Let me show you 151, 363, 80, 10, 434, 222. You can see there 929, a lot. So that means you are eligible to make more with the trading bots compared with manual trading. But trading is highly risk, so make sure you learn first. You can watch my videos, and you get to know on how to trade with this bot. So let's meet in the next video where we start now trading and making profits. So make sure you don't miss out. Comment crypto arbitrage trading, and you might be lucky to join the VIP group, or you might be lucky to get free funding. That's it for now. Let's meet again.